Hi, it's Matthew McDonald, Big Sky Collision Center in Billings, Montana. I'm here to talk about the Bodyshop Booster, or as we call it, the Easy Estimate Tool. I want to talk about three things. Number one, we want to talk about the market advantage that you'll see with this tool. And number two, we want to talk about the customer convenience. And number three, making the sale. Well, at Big Sky Collision Center, imagine you have a commercial and it looks a little bit like this. We have two cars that are banged up, and the person on the commercial says, I remember the Big Sky Collision Center talked about their easy estimate tool. So I got right on their website, I clicked on create an estimate, and I took a few photos and I submitted it. Their helpful estimator was back to me within minutes. I looked the estimate over on my phone, I clicked approve, and I submitted it. Next, there's a button that I clicked that said, file insurance claim. Big Sky Collision Center assisted me in filing my claim. So next, I was already in the process of filing my claim, had my estimate. Next said, schedule repair. There's the cell. So now I've scheduled my repair, and I look over, and back there, the guy's still on hold with his insurance company filing his claim. And I've already got an estimate, filed my claim, and scheduled my repair at Big Sky Collision Center for next week. So I talk about the market advantage. I don't know anybody else is doing that. Number two, the customer convenience. We know today our customers are looking for fast rather than anything else. And to get to them first and allow them to have this convenience, I don't think there's anything quicker, easier. And you're looking for your customer base, you're looking for the people that are busy, because usually there's the staple in their community, and so they don't have time to come down to your shop for an estimate. So why don't you let's go to them. Let's go to them and get those good customers coming to your door. There's a quote up there, and it's by Rupert Murdoch, and he said this: the world is changing very fast. It will no longer be the big beating the small, it'll be the fast beating the slow. We know that with everybody's time constraint, and it has to be convenient. And particularly, you're looking for the people out there, who do you want your customer base to be? Well, think about this. The people that are most busy are the people that are probably doing the most in their community. So they're probably driving the nicest cars, and they're probably the most influential. And if you can make this convenient tool for them, where you can do all those things that I just spoke about, we can turn the estimate in, and then we can have it filed with your insurance company. We can have you scheduled, and it's all done, and you don't even need to come to our shop, and I don't even need to mess up your day. Then you've created a convenience for that consumer, because I'm going to tell you, the person that usually has the time to come down and see you drives in a car that sounds like this. And I don't think we really want to work on that one. So add that convenience, because I think this is one of the most convenient tools that I've ever seen. And then we talk about the sell. You might as well be asking them, hey, I want to do business. Hey, let's schedule this right now. That's the way to do a market advantage, customer convenience, and get the sale. So here's an example that we have for you. We have a lawyer that was in our local area who found our website. We don't know this guy. And he came in, and my estimator said, hey, that gentleman over there used our easy estimate tool. And he just found us organically. So I went out and I said, how'd you find us, sir? He said, well, I got in a parking lot ding, and I got on your website. I clicked on your button, sent it in. Your estimator was back with me really, within minutes. And then I used that estimate and I filed the claim, and that's why I'm here today. And he goes, man, I'll tell everybody about it. And I said, what did you think of it? And he said, it's a great tool, man. It was so easy, and I'm already got a busy schedule. So he bypassed all the hassle. He did it himself. Found us organically on the website. So I'm telling you from experience, the tool works. This next week, we're going to be taking it next level, so we can do another, what we call a limited power of attorney. It gives us the ability to turn in the claim, file the claim on behalf of the customer, so they don't have to wait on hold for hours. Taking it to the next level. Matthew McDonald, Big Sky Collision Center, Billings, Montana.